Welcome back to my channel. Today we're testing your brain power with a science quiz all about mammals, birds, amphibians, and reptiles. Only the smartest can ace this quiz. Ready? Let's go. Lizard. You're right, it's a reptile. Next, bat. Surprise, it's a mammal. Next one, kangaroo. Correct, it's a mammal. How's your score so far? If you're getting them right, you deserve a big thumbs up, so go ahead and smash that like button now. Next up, peacock. It's a bird. And before you go, hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed playing. More quizzes are coming soon.